Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. This is part 6 of Google Maps API. In this video, I'll show you how to add an info window in Google Maps Marker using .NET MVC. So guys, before going through this part 6, please visit my part 5, that is how to add Google Map Marker image instead of a default marker. Okay, so this is the part 5. You'll get all these videos in my playlist, that is Google Maps API playlist. So guys, in this video I have few points: how to set info window to marker in Google Maps, how to add site link, URL, images, text in info window pop-up box. So there is few steps guys, how to set up the info window. So this is the MVC application, okay, and here is my controller home controller. Inside I have added one action method called info window. So this info window has a CSHTML file. This is the code for CSHTML. Okay, so this CSHTML I have done few changes based on the info window. That is in this my map function, I have added this info window variable which contains the info window, okay, and this content. So while you click on the Google Map Marker, this is the image setup, okay. While you click on the Google Map Marker, it will click on the click event. It will show one pop-up box and it will show this content, okay. This is the text, and this is the script file, contains the API, and this is the footer part. So that's all about the code for info window.cshtml, okay. And this is the Bootstrap to contain the responsive design, okay. So only the main things we need to discuss in this part only. And there is two ways I have added the info window. First I'll show you this sample how info window look like, then I'll show you how to configure or edit the info window. So guys, this is the code for info window and the marker add listener event. I have added this info window content. So we need to show this output. What is the output will be shown like this. So I need to click here. So guys, here you can see this output, right? Earlier in my previous video I have added this image instead of a Google default marker. So while you click on the image, I can see this pop-up, right? Info window. This is called the info window. So this is the info window, contains this content, okay. Coolest hometown, so it is shown as per expected. So guys, I'll show you the different info window setup. So I need to comment this line and I need to enable uncomment this line, okay. So how to, as per my slide, how to add site links, URL, images, text in info window. So here I have created one more variable, that is content string. Inside dyd I have used some h1 tag for a caller, the h1 that is the header text, okay. And inside body, what is the content of this body, it will be shown like here up to this, okay. And inside I have added one site link URL, okay. And the div tag, I have closed the div tag as well. So this is the content I have used inside the content string, and I have passed this content string inside the content property here, okay. So instead of write down the static content, I need to map to the content string dynamically into the content property of info window. And generally this marker click event or listener event inside click event function. So this contains the info window, and when you click the info window, it will open a pop-up box with this content, okay. So I need to save these changes, and I'll go to my browser and just refresh it. So guys, here if you'll click on it, so you can see this different info window with the required changes. That is the h1 text and this body content whatever, and this is the URL I have set up, okay. And in this way it will show like this info window. This is the example of info window file. The many third-party applications have implementing or integrating their Google Maps API, and they have also set up the info window like this. So this is the real-time scenario how to set up the info window in your Google Map marker. Okay, so this text pop-ups up when you click on the image icon. Okay, so this is the desktop view, whatever you seen. And how to check on mobile view, so just right click on inspect element. So guys, here I have used Bootstrap, so I need to show you how it look like for responsive design. So there is various devices, iPhone XR. If you click on it, so this is the iPhone XR, the pop-up will show like this, and you also close this. If you click on, again this pop-up will show, that is the info window. And if you go to iPad mini, it is the output, and if you click on, the info window will be shown like this. And for iPad Air, if you click on, the info window is showing. And for other as Surface Pro 7, if you click on, the info window will show like this for different devices. Okay, so this supports the responsive design, as we have used Bootstrap, CSS and JS as well. Okay, so guys, in this way we have added info window in our Google Maps marker. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.